is Naidina Batrisha binti Muhammad Sufri Izwan. You can call me Idina.
Hi, my name is Marsha Roda Izzah binti Abdullah, and you can address me as Marsha.
Hi, my name is Nur Huwaida Sofia binti Muhammad Shuaidi. You can call me Huwaida.
Hi, my name is Nur Kairinisa Farisa binti Muhammad Salahuddin. Just call me Nisa.
For question 1A, explain the concept of compound interest and discuss how it differs from simple interest. So the answer is, compound interest is the interest earned on the principal as well as on the accumulated interest from previous periods. The difference is, simple interest is only on the principal, but compound interest is on principal added with previous interest. For question 1B, if Daniel plans to repay the loan in full at the end of 5 years, which option results in a lower total interest charge? Calculate the total amount he would have to repay for each option to determine the better choice. As for loan A, we use the formula S equals to P times with 1 plus I to the power of N. So we insert the amount 12,000 times with 1 plus 0.09 over 12 because it says monthly to the power of 12 times 5. The answer is 18,788 ringgit 17 cents. And for the interest, we use the formula I equals to S minus P, which is 18,788 ringgit and 17 cents minus with 12,000 ringgit. The answer is 6,788 ringgit and 17 cents. For loan B, we use the same formula, so it will be 12,000 times with 1 plus 0.12 over 4 because it says quarterly to the power of 4 times 5. The answer is 21,673 ringgit 34 cents. And for the interest earned, still the same formula as loan A. So 21,673 ringgit and 34 cents minus with 12,000 ringgit. The answer is 9,673 ringgit and 34 cents. In conclusion, loan A is a better choice.
Question 2. Tasnim has just graduated and started with her job. She wants to save for future goals such as buying a house in 10 years. She has two investment options, which is for Bank A offers an annual compound interest rate of 6% compound every 4 months, and for Bank B offers an annual compound interest rate of 5.75% compound monthly. Tasnim has 10,000 ringgit to invest. She is interested in maximizing her returns over the 10-year period. So, after we highlight the informations, it will be much easier for us to substitute in the formula. For question A, calculate Tasnim's investment growth for both bank in 10 years. In this question, we use future value formula, which is S equals to P1 plus I power of N. For I, we will use the frequency and the compound interest rate, and for N, we will calculate it using the frequency and the time period. After we substitute it in the future value formula, for Bank A, we will get 18,113 ringgit and 62 cents. For Bank B, we get 17,746 ringgit and 92 cents. So, for question B, based on your calculations, which bank should Tasnim choose if she wants the maximum return? Justify your answer. Based on my calculation, Tasnim should choose Bank A because Bank A gives more return, which is RM 18,113 ringgit and 62 cents. Then Bank B is only RM 17,746 and 92 cents. So that's all for question 2. Thank you.
Okay, for question 3, Ishak purchased a motorcycle for 45,000 ringgit. He made an initial 6,000 ringgit of down payment and took a loan at interest rate of 3% compounded monthly to finance the remaining amount. The loan is to be repaid over 7 years by monthly installment. So, question A, Using the concept of annuities, explain how the loan repayment made by Ishaq are an example of an annuity. So the answer is Ishaq made the same payment among monthly installment for the entire duration the loan. This is because the definition of an ordinary annuity is where payments occur at regular intervals at the end of each period. Okay, next for question B, calculate the monthly installment payment for the loan. To find the monthly installment, we use the ordinary annuity formula. So the loan amount is 39,000 ringgit, which is 45,000 ringgit minus 6,000 ringgit equals to 39,000 ringgit. So the monthly interest rate is 0.25%, which is 0.03 over 12. And there are 84 monthly payment in total. Using the formula, the monthly payment comes out to approximately 550 ringgit and 32 cents. Question C. If Ishaq fails to make the first 4 monthly payment, calculate the amount he needs to pay on the 5th month to clear the outstanding arrears. So, we take the monthly installment of 550 ringgit and 32 cents, multiply it by the growth factor for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month and 5 month of interest. So, when we substitute into the formula, the total arrears that Ishaq must pay in the 5th month is about 2,589 ringgit and 52 cents.
Next, I will explain about question number 4, which is related to chapter 4 annuity. First, we read the questions. The cash price of a car is 85,000. It can be purchased through an installment plan by making a down payment of 15%, followed by 180 equal monthly payments. The interest charge is 6.5% compounded monthly. A. We need to calculate the monthly payment. B. The total interest charge. And C. If immediately after 8 years, the buyer decides to settle the loan by making a single payment, find the value of this single payment. So questions A asks us to find the monthly payment. So first, we calculate the down payment first. So 15% from the cash price is 85,000 equals to 12,750. So we minus the 85,000 with the down payment, which is 12,750, equals to 72,250. And then how to calculate the monthly payment is we need to use the annuity formula, which is A equals to R1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. So which is the A is 72,250, the I is 6.5% over 12, which is 0.065 over 12, and the n was given, which is 180. So we need to find the monthly payment, which is R. So we substitute the values into the formula, which is we will get the answer. The monthly payment is approximately 629.38 cents. Next, question B asks us to find the total interest charge. So we will use the formula I equals to NR minus A. So N is 180, R is the amount that we calculated just now, which is 629.38 minus the amount borrowed, which is 72,250. So we will get the interest charge is 41,038 ringgit and 40 cents. So next is question C. After 8 years, the buyer decides to settle the loan by making a single payment. So we need to find the value of this single payment. We will use the annuity formula, which is A equals to R1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. The n given is 180, but the question C said that after 8 years, so we will calculate the 8 years times 12 months, which is 96 months, and the new n will be 180 minus 96 months, which is 84 months. So we will substitute the value. R is 639.38. 1 minus 1 plus 0.065 over 12, power of negative 84, which is the new n, over 0.065 over 12. We will get the single payment is 42 ringgit 384 ringgit and 10 cents. Thank you.